Inflation-proof your wealth. 5 assets to consider. Hey there, financial explorers! Are you feeling this thing of cash losing its value day by day? I'm here to guide you through the maze of assets that could help you stay ahead of inflation's relentless march. So, grab your note-taking gear and let's embark on a journey to discover 5 assets that might just preserve your wealth. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's dive in. Cash versus inflation. The landscape of financial stability is evolving, and it's become increasingly evident that the value of cash held in bank accounts is diminishing due to the relentless march of inflation. A cursory look at the M1 money supply graph unmistakably depicts the rapid expansion of money supply since 2020. This influx of money circulating within the economy precipitates a perilous consequence: a decline in the purchasing power of the very dollars you possess. While the prudence of keeping a certain amount of cash for unforeseen emergencies is undeniable, the peril lies in amassing excessive cash reserves. This surplus of stagnant funds has the potential to gradually erode your accumulated wealth over time. Thus, a pivotal question emerges. How can you navigate this hidden but potent threat and emerge victorious in the battle against inflation's silent erosion? Real estate, the land of prosperity. Among the contenders vying to combat the insidious effects of inflation, real estate emerges as a formidable and tangible fortress. Whether it takes the form of property or expansive tracts of land, real estate has proven its resilience across epochs. Its value has consistently demonstrated an upward trajectory, a phenomenon intricately linked to the timeless concept of supply and demand. Consider the scenario of a locality characterized by a finite supply of housing juxtaposed against a rapidly expanding demand. This conjuncture serves as a potent recipe for the appreciation of real estate values. It's worth noting that historical data underscores the consistent trend of home prices surpassing the growth rate of consumer price index, further reinforcing the robustness of real estate as an effective bulwark against the erosive clutches of inflation. Commodities, inflation's kryptonite. Moving forward in our exploration of formidable contenders in the battle against the erosive tides of inflation, we turn our attention to commodities, the unsung heroes that often thrive in the face of inflationary pressures. Whether we are considering the lustrous allure of gold, the enduring significance of silver, or even the vitality of livestock, commodities have showcased their mettle by yielding positive returns during times of inflation. The intrinsic strength of commodities as a hedge against inflation can be attributed to their finite nature. In a world where demand can surge as currency values wane, the scarcity of commodities act as a robust shield. A prime example lies in the historical performance of gold and silver, which have displayed remarkable resilience and growth during inflationary periods. However, it's essential to exercise caution and acknowledge the volatility inherent in certain assets. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin may intrigue with their potential, they also come with a significant degree of risk. Stocks, the equity game. Embarking on a deeper exploration into the domain of strategies aimed at thwarting the relentless advances of inflation, our focus now alights upon the resolute contender known as stocks, a dynamic and versatile asset class that boasts an array of advantages. At the forefront of this category stands the illustrious S&P 500, an assemblage of preeminent American corporations that has consistently showcased its remarkable ability to yield annual returns that span the spectrum from 8 to 10%. While the inherent volatility that accompanies stocks in the short term might sow seeds of unease, it is in the long-term panorama that their true mettle emerges, triumphantly outshining the encroachments of inflation. A particularly noteworthy exploration conducted by Quote of Dollars and Data serves as a clarion call to this reality, underscoring that an extended possession of stocks invariably begets positive real returns, even amidst of the churning seas of inflationary landscape. The resilience and boundless growth potential etched into the fabric of stocks across epochs have totally entrenched their standing as a stalwart pillar within any investment portfolio that aspires to fend off the erosive clutches of inflation with unyielding vigor. Collectibles, the allure of rarity. Venturing into the captivating realm of collectibles, we uncover a treasure trove of unique assets that artfully resists the relentless march of inflation. Spanning a diverse spectrum from rare coins and stamps to cherished Pokemon cards, the allure of collectibles is rooted not in the capriciousness of market trends, but in their intrinsic scarcity. These captivating artifacts, however, present their fair share of challenges. Embracing collectibles demands a specialized understanding of the field, as well as a willingness to contend with their inherent illiquidity and the potential for substantial fluctuations in value. Yet, for those who are prepared to dedicate the time and possess a horizon that extends far into the future, the potential rewards are nothing short of extraordinary. The world of collectibles offers a tantalizing opportunity to cultivate wealth that dances to its own unique rhythm, providing a distinct avenue for safeguarding against the erosive impacts of inflation, while also catering to an inherent appreciation of rarity and craftsmanship. Businesses, the entrepreneurial frontier. Last but certainly not the least, we venture into the dynamic realm of business ownership, a contender that wields its own formidable arsenal against the stealthy advance of inflation. In the world of entrepreneurship, the benefits are manifold. Businesses not only generate revenue and provide consistent cash flow, but they also boast the potential for substantial appreciation over time. Holding a stake in a business can yield significant rewards as the years unfold, offering a route of lucrative payoffs that resonate far into the future. One of the most compelling aspects of business ownership lies in the power it affords to influence pricing, a strategic advantage that can be harnessed to navigate the tumultuous waters of inflation. As a steward of equity, you possess the ability to shape pricing strategies that can act as a robust buffer against the erosive impacts of rising prices. Moreover, businesses that thrive in the face of economic downturns emerge as particularly reliable assets within an inflationary landscape. By embracing the mantle of entrepreneurship, individuals not only cultivate a powerful avenue for wealth creation, but also wield a potent shield against the silent yet relentless erosion of purchasing power. Conclusion. And thus, we conclude our comprehensive expedition through the realm of safeguarding against the unyielding tides of inflation. Armed with the plethora of options, whether you opt for the stalwart bastions of real estate, the time-tested allure of commodities, the dynamic world of stocks, the captivating realm of collectibles, or the empowering avenue of business ownership, the secret lies in the judicious art of diversification and unwavering commitment to a long-term perspective. As the financial horizon unfolds, Each of these assets unveils its distinctive constellation of advantages and challenges, and your astute selection should be grounded in your unique financial aspirations, risk appetite, and investment timeline. With this armory of knowledge in hand, you're poised to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of finance with acumen and resilience. If this voyage of discovery has ignited a spark within you, a simple thumbs up and subscription will ensure you're never left in the dark when it comes to illuminating financial insights. Until we rendezvous again, may your thirst for knowledge continue to guide you along the trail of financial prosperity. This is Angel, bidding you a farewell. Stay inquisitive, stay prosperous. Thanks for joining us on this quest to master the art of preserving wealth in an inflationary world. Remember, each step you take toward informed investing is a step closer to securing your financial future. As you navigate these assets and strategies, may your journey be profitable and fulfilling. Stay tuned for our next enlightening adventure. Until then, keep your financial compass steady.